Prices at the pump have you thinking of making the switch to EV? The price is right, more like the price is wrong.
If you do get an EV, the first thing you should buy is the proper charger.
Look at that. We're charging.
The whole point about going EV is to save money on gas costs by using electric, but you have to be smart and do it the right way.
I love being in this thing and passing by a gas station.
Your standard outlet is 120 volts. This will give you a slow trickle charge. Unless you have the extra time or you're not driving very frequently, this is gonna be the least efficient way to charge your vehicle. What you really want is a 240 volt outlet. Now, many vehicles, especially Tesla, since they're popular, you can get pre-installed boxes, but you need an electrician and the install cost is a little expensive. There are plug-in units you can do yourself that are available online. Now, many garages already have a 240 volt outlet available. So if your garage has this, you can just pick one up online. The 240 volt charging cords often come with an adapter, so you can still use a 120 outlet. This is just a good backup and peace of mind, so you can charge in just about any scenario. That charger has a really long cable, so you can stretch it across your garage to reach that charging port. If you're in the market for an electric vehicle, one thing you should think about is how you're gonna charge it before you even purchase. So you wanna do your research, check that garage, see what power you have, and maybe check with an electrician on some prices to get that outlet installed. Many EV vehicle owners may not realize that you don't wanna top that battery off to 100 every day. You wanna cap it at 80%. Now this is usually default in the system settings on your car, but now you know to resist the urge to set that to 100%.
Daily use, charge up to 80%, and then this is if you're going on a trip.
The only time you wanna push that battery up to 100% is say you're going on a road trip. This isn't your regular driving, so that 100% charge will give you the extra mileage you need for longer distances. This really is to prolong the life of that battery and of course your vehicle. Now here's the thing, and I'm looking at my sister out here who always runs her battery down. Sorry, to give some shade. The other thing you want to consider is to not run that battery below 20%. So you want to stay between 80 and 20 as often as you can to prolong the longevity. Wherever you live, there's definitely going to be on-peak and off-peak hours for your electricity. So be sure to create a schedule so you're only charging when those rates are the lowest. Plug that cable in every time you park. That way it's ready to charge when that schedule activates. Be sure to check that app or your settings. It gives you a lot of information about your charging rates and how much gas you could be saving. Charging every night at low rates on a 240 volt is gonna be optimal. A lot of people think their EV, they can just take it to the fast charger whenever you need it. You actually want to avoid using those fast chargers regularly. Those are just for longer road trips or if you need it, of course, but this shouldn't be your routine. Treat charging your vehicle like charging your phone. Just plug it in every night so it's good to go the next morning.
Should I put this thing in sport mode?
Going EV can really simplify your life and charging routine. You can avoid those gas stations and high prices. So there's no need to fuel your car anymore. It's gonna fuel itself at home.
It's pretty smooth. Feels good.